In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete text in Miro. If you're cleaning up a board or removing something that's no longer needed, deleting text in Miro is quick and straightforward. The key is to make sure you're selecting the text box itself, not just the text inside it. That way, when you delete, the entire text element is removed from your board. Start by locating the text you want to remove and click once on it. A single click selects the text box as an object, and you'll see a border appear around it, usually with small handles on the corners. This border is your confirmation that Miro has selected the text box, not the text cursor. If you don't see the border and instead you see a blinking text cursor, that means you've entered edit mode. In that case, click once on an empty spot on the board, then click once on the text again to get the border around it. With the text box selected and the border clearly visible, press the delete key on your keyboard. If your keyboard doesn't have a dedicated delete key, the backspace key will do the same job. As soon as you press it, the text box and its contents are removed from the board. If you're on a laptop or using a compact keyboard, backspace is often the one you'll use most. This method is fast and works well when you're cleaning up multiple items in a row. If you prefer using the mouse or your keyboard isn't responding, you can also remove the text box through the context menu. Right-click on the selected text box to open the menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click usually opens the same menu. From there, choose Delete. The text box disappears immediately, just like with the keyboard approach. This is a handy option if you like confirming your actions with a click rather than a key press. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you accidentally delete the wrong item, use Undo right away to bring it back. Also, if elements are close together, zoom in a little before you click so you're sure you're selecting the correct text box. Finally, check for that border each time. Seeing it is the best indicator that your next action will remove the text element itself, not just a few characters. That's all there is to it. Select the text box so it shows a border, delete it with your keyboard, or right-click and choose Delete. Simple, clear, and efficient.